So you guys have already know what is ChatGPT, right? So there is an alternative for ChatGPT in the market. So what is it? So watch the video till the end to get to know what the tool is. So before jumping to the video, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So first open up Google Chrome and write here Chatsonic and click on this link. This is the interface of Chatsonic website where you can find about this chatbot. So let's first sign up this thing. So this is the login section look like ChatGPT, AI article writer, make your own AI and so much more. And on the left side you can see word of 10,000. It means that you can only use 10,000 word per month. So after that you have to buy it. So let's try some queries and find out whether it works similar to ChatGPT or not and what features it added extra. So I'm giving here my first query, that is write a program in Java for binary search, and let's find out what kind of output it give me. So it's giving me the output regarding my query. So let's find out, is it giving me the correct way or not. So it's not only give me the target output, but it also has a new feature that text to speech. It means that whatever is written over here, it will speak out loud, just like this.
Sure. Here's an implementation of binary search in Java. Java public class binary search, public static int binary search, int, arranged by.
So try something else, try a different query. This connecting and
Growing a tech YouTube channel can be challenging, but there are some strategies that can help you increase your reach and build a loyal following.
so there is an option to get your query in detail or concise. So as you can see here, I am currently using the concise words, but you can use also detail option. So it not only give you the output as well as it give you the detailed overview of this thing, of your query. Let's find a complex one. I'm giving it the query that suggests me some good restaurant nearby. So it's taking the Google data. So that's why it has the latest data as compared to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT's knowledge is limited up to 2021 data. After that, it doesn't have the current data. But in case of Chatsonic, it has integration with Google data. That's why give you the current and most updated data. So I'm giving a query here that can you suggest me a good restaurant nearby? Let's find out whether it can give you the output or not and how accurate it is. Let's find out. So let's say I want a restaurant where its popular dish is biryani. So let's find out in Kolkata what are the famous restaurants that provide biryani. Let's see it's give me the precise answer or not based on my given query. Give me the precise answer that where can I found the biryani and what are the popular restaurants that provide biryani, as well as it also give me the references where I can find this biryani shop. So let's find a math equation. Let's see whether it can solve it for me or not. So it's giving me the answer. So let's try more specific, like I want each and every line's explanation. So it's give me a perfect solution as well as the explanation that what is written and why it is written over there. So that's a thumbs up. So if you are a student and stuck in math problems, you can give the query over here, give the question over here and ask it to solve it line by line and explaining each line. So that's pretty much about it. This is an overview of Chatsonic as compared to ChatGPT. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any important update like this in the future videos. And if you found this video helpful, please share this video with your friends. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.